right, y'all. Homie just got here. Doing some more work to the Infiniti. Ooh, dog. He brought some window louvers over. We're gonna put them on. A wrap for the chrome pieces.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
It's a little hot. So we out here. We're cleaning up the windows. All right. So Raul got these badass wrap for the windows. So we're about to wrap that shit up. But we were just having a conversation, like, and this is totally Spanish. So if y'all out there, you know Spanish, you know, I'm like, what was the word that I told you?
Hedionda.
Huh?
Hedionda?
Yeah, so we started talking about a hedion, and I told him it's probably like somebody who's all stinky. And then and then I tell this guy, I'm like, bro, just imagine some dude is over there all about the girl, and then he's like, oh, God, you hedionda. And then Raul was like, no, bro, she'd beat his ass.
Hell yeah, bro, shit. Bam, get off of me, motherfucker.
Bottle!
This shit no more.
So this is the progress that we've done. He's wiping up that window. We're about to start on the other side. Yeah. Yeah. Here, you still have a little bit to go.
Yep.
Is it hard?
Not really.
Put some of that stuff. Hey, Gugan. Yo, we're not sponsored yet, but hit us up. Woo! Yeah, we got a lot to go on this side. All right, we'll come back at you. All right, so yesterday we put this on. Started raining, so we're like, oh hell no! But look at that job there. Damn, son, where'd you learn how to rap at? Yep, it's a specialty skill of mine, right? Right, Raul? Yep. Right, Raul? Raul? All right, so got the one piece on this back end, and then we're gonna come around the side, and ooh, we almost done, baby. We're working on this one right now. We'll put the top one on. This side will be done. Of course, he had to get them aftermarket louvers. Looking pretty dope. Okay, so this is where we got to so far. We're gonna have to complete it next weekend because, as y'all can tell, goddamn weather ain't loving us right now. And I think there's a hurricane coming in right now, motherfucker. Oh, hell no! All right, here, take that shit in. Damn weather out there. Got pretty bad. So we're gonna cut it here, probably for the day. I don't know if the weather eases up at all. But yeah, stay tuned to the next one, y'all. Later, Raul. Motherfucker. Later, dog. Peace. Speed fam. All right, y'all. Turns out the weather's a bipolar bitch. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up at least one side of the Infiniti today, and then we'll get the rest of it next weekend. Part 2. Stay tuned. Part 2. All right, so put this on. We got this on. Got the bottom one on. Looking sauced. One more piece on this side. We have one more thing to do on this side, and Raul's gonna do it because it's his whip. But let's go ahead and get it prepped for him. All right, bro, come here and do this. Damn, son. All right, so that's what it looks like now. Damn, that looks fire, dude. Better than, I mean, well, it looks black right there, but it's, oh no, it's chrome. Around the outside. All right, what up, Speed fam? Back at it again. I know it took a couple of days, but we finally got Raul's G35 wrapped up, spun it up into black. You know, no more chrome on the windowsills. Let's go ahead and show you how it goes here. Alright, y'all, we got the last part of the G35. Alright, y'all, we got the last part of the Q50 coming up right now. It's gonna be the roof wrap. So hang in tight there. We'll take you along for the ride. And remember, we've already done the chrome delete on the sides. We've done the lip, we've done the eyelids, we've done the mirrors, done the rear wing. Now we're just gonna be doing the roof, get it all wrapped up and go from there, y'all. All right, y'all, we've got the gloss black wrap, and right now we're gonna go ahead and lay it down, cut out the piece in the size that we need, and then boom! All right, y'all, we got it cut out. That's very shiny. Let's go ahead and peel the white part back and we'll wrap it. Back at it again with the wrapping skills. And it's another hot day out here. right, y'all, there you have it. Q50 wrapped up. We're gonna be moving on to these chrome little babies. We already got one wrapped up to do a test just to see what it would look like. It looks way better. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. But as you can tell, roof all wrapped up. Let me go ahead and flip the script, let y'all see the roof, and y'all let me know how it looks, all right? Got the roof all wrapped up. Looking clean. Stay tuned. See you on the next one. Q50, Mazda Speed 3, Honda Fit. We'll see y'all. Take care, Speed fam.